Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Grindr password step by step. So first, open the Grindr app or visit the Grindr login page. Then select the option to sign in and look for forgot password or the password reset option. Now enter the email address associated with your Grindr account if requested. Grindr should then provide instructions for setting a password. Then check your email inbox and also look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see the message. Then open the official password reset email and follow the provided link. After that, create a new password that's strong and different from passwords you use on other websites. Then return to the Grindr and sign in using your updated password. If you don't receive the reset email, then double check that you're using the correct email address. So that was how to reset your Grindr password safely. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.